The most important tips for planting grass in your backyard. Hello friends! Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to share the most important tips on how to plant grass in your backyard. If you're looking to transform your yard into a green and beautiful space, make sure to watch this video until the end. Grass is one of the best natural ground covers that is widely used in modern times. Whether in parks, recreational areas, streets, large and small squares, sidewalks, or even in the yards of homes and villas, you can create a beautiful landscape at a low cost. In this guide, we're going to teach you how to plant grass. While it's not a very difficult task, there are key principles that, if followed, will help you achieve the best results. So, if you want to learn how to plant grass or are thinking about planting it in your yard or any other place, you'll need to become familiar with the basic principles of grass planting, which we'll cover next. The most important step in planting grass is choosing the right seed. The first and foremost step in planting grass is selecting the right type of seed. To answer the question, how do we plant grass, the key lies in choosing the appropriate seed. Just like many other plants, grass comes in various types. Some varieties are suitable for cold climates, while others thrive in warm regions. Some grasses are fine-textured, while others are thick and coarse. This list could go on, as there are many different types of grass. Generally, grass types can be divided into two main categories. 1. Warm season grasses. 2. Cool season grasses. When choosing grass, it's important to consider the NTEP National Turfgrass Evaluation Program. If you plan to plant grass in warm areas, you should choose warm season grasses. Otherwise, for colder climates, cool season grasses are a better option. Besides the type of grass, its color also plays a significant role. Grass colors range from light brown to bright, vibrant green. To make selection easier, grass is categorized by color on a scale of 0 to 9. A grade of 0 represents a brown color, which is not very appealing for planting in yards or public spaces and is of lower quality. In contrast, the closer the color is to grade 9, the better its quality, and its seeds are of a higher standard. In the image below, you can see the color range of different types of grass. When planting grass, pay attention to the color spectrum of grass types. In addition to the color and whether the grass is warm season or cool season, there are other important factors to consider when purchasing grass seeds, which we've outlined in the table below. Grass texture. Grasses with a finer, softer texture generally have better quality. Grass density refers to the number of grass plants per unit area. The higher the number, the denser the grass. Grass uniformity. The fewer the weeds, the more uniform the grass will be. Step 2 in planting grass. Pre-planting preparation. When planting grass in your backyard, park, or any other location, paying attention to the soil is one of the most important factors that should be addressed in the early stages of grass planting. But what actions should be taken? Below is a table of the key steps you need to take with the soil. Step 1. Plow the soil to a depth of 5 to 8 cm and soften it so the seeds can easily take root. Step 2. Remove large stones, wood, debris, and any other unwanted objects from the planting area. Step 3. Break up and powder any compacted soil clumps. Step 4. Level the planting surface to ensure water doesn't collect in one spot. Step 5. Remove any weeds before planting the grass. The best way to remove weeds in the grass planting area is manual removal rather than using herbicides. This is because the chemicals from herbicides can remain in the soil and negatively affect the quality of the grass. Use appropriate gloves and pull the weeds out by the roots. Actions during seed spreading and grass planting. Once the soil surface is prepared, it's time for the main task: planting the grass. To ensure good results, you should keep the following tips in mind. If your planting area is small, such as a backyard, you can evenly spread the seeds by hand. However, if you are working with a larger area like a park, you may use a motorized seed spreader. It's recommended to spread about 16 seeds per square inch, approximately 3 by 3 cm. If you plant more seeds in each square inch, it won't result in better density. Instead, the seeds will compete for nutrients in the soil, leading to poor grass quality. This is often why certain areas of grass become patchy. Covering the seeds with soil and maintaining. Proper moisture. After evenly spreading the seeds on the soil, you should cover them with a soft layer of soil. This layer should not be too thin or too thick. The ideal thickness is about 5 centimeters. Another important step is to keep the soil moist using a gentle sprinkler. The watering should not be excessive, as too much water can cause the seeds to rot. Until the grass grows to about 5 centimeters in height, it's best to continue watering daily, just enough to keep the soil moist. Post-growth grass maintenance. To properly maintain your grass, you should perform the following tasks. Regular and adequate watering. As mentioned earlier, proper watering is crucial. Mowing the grass. It's important to know that if grass grows too tall, its quality will decline. For instance, it can look unkempt, and insufficient oxygen and light will reach it. The best approach is to use a lawnmower to cut the grass to an even height. If you are working with a large area, you can use a motorized lawnmower, either gasoline or electric. With a motor and sharp blades, it allows you to adjust the height of the cut grass and efficiently achieve a uniform appearance in a shorter amount of time. If you plan to purchase such a device, make sure to read the article linked below. For smaller areas, you can use a manual lawnmower, which does not have a motor. As you push the device, the blades will rotate, allowing you to trim the grass to your desired height. And that's it for the key tips on planting and maintaining grass. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or personal experiences with planting grass, be sure to share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.